Alright, Adam. If you can copy exactly what I do, I'll give you $50.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Alright, straight arm. Right, it's your turn, right?
Okay.
You gotta squeeze it really hard. You ready?
Are you serious?
Get out of.
Dad, did you just sneeze on me? That's disgusting. Dad, can you just get a drink for me, please?
Oh, I'll get him a drink. Got you a drink, Adam. I'm gonna bring it to ya. There you go, dude.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I put a lot of salt in there. Haha. Alright, okay Adam, I'm gonna get this cup of water. You need to try to hit me with those two before I can clean up this water. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Gosh, she's so good. Turn around. Turn around. This prank video is just one of many. Hit that subscribe button, guys. It definitely supports us to making more videos, getting all that content out, and hopefully one day dominate YouTube. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. See ya.
Look at me again.
Ah, meow.
That goes.